there, welcome to Boler Babe, the channel where I restore 1977 vintage Boler trailer. Each episode on this channel you're going to see me doing something different, and it might just be a short little episode of a backsplash or something like that. I've also repainted the logos, made my own custom curtains, reupholstered cushions, repainted the frame, replaced jacks, all sorts of stuff. I'm also going to be camping, installing solar shortly, installing a new water reservoir. So I hope this channel helps you in anything that you need, and you can navigate through the different episodes to help you find what you're looking for. So far, this is my second season with the Boler. I bought it for 5,500 Canadian in 2020 as part of an estate sale. I'm hoping to make a lot of use out of it this year, and it's almost ready. It's very close. So you'll see a new video posted every Friday on this channel, and I hope to do a couple live streams too while I'm working away at it. If you have any questions or suggestions, please post. I'm not an expert by any means, but I'm just exploring, making mistakes, and figuring this out on my own. I do have a few people helping me out, but yes, this is going to be a fun journey. So enjoy.